It's April 30th, 2023. The garden is getting greener week by week. Let's start the update with the raspberry over here. You can see a lot of new growths, and the growths from the older canes are producing flowers, as you can see right here. Here's some more flowers. Here's the asparagus. You can see there's still more asparagus sprouts coming out. I also harvested some of the asparagus. Here you can see new ones sprouting. I'll show the harvest at the end of the video. Here's the mulberry. Lots of sprouting as well from the dormant buds. And one exciting thing is you can see the flowers from the buds. And it's over the tree, so hopefully we'll get lots of mulberry this year. Here's the rhubarb, still flowering. And surprisingly, there's a tiny bird nest in the pot. Hopefully I don't scare the parents away. Green onion, flowers are still forming. Here's the blueberry. You can see a lot more leaves, and the flower buds are opening now. I think here are some of the flowers that have opened. Here's the grape. You can see a lot of buds are opening, pretty much all the buds. And here's the first bud that opened a while ago. You can see flowers forming. Lavender looks about the same. Catnip is still growing rapidly. Peony, if you take a closer look, you can see some gooey substance from the flower bud. It's pretty normal. The flowers actually produce lots of nectars around the buds. But yeah, looks like we're going to have a lot of peony flowers this year. Here's the broccolini. A lot of flowers. These are all way too late to be harvested, but looks like the plant is getting a lot bigger. The beet looks pretty much the same. And these little sprouts over here, I'm pretty sure it's a Chinese lantern plant. And all the bulb plants are done flowering, so I'm going to put them away pretty soon. Persian pearl tulip. Summer snowflake. I'm not seeing any flower forming yet. And the hydrangea, lots of leaf growth, but I'm not seeing any flower from the new growths yet. Same with this variety. I'm not seeing any flowers just yet. Here are the lily of the valley. Flowers are still forming. Here you can see a few more of the lily of the valley sprouts. Here are some of the flowers that have started to open. I think this is probably the pink variety. I can't tell just yet. Could be the white variety. And this is the harvest for asparagus this week. This is before they're harvested. This one is really big. There's quite a few sprouts that we can harvest today. This one might be a little too late, but I'm still going to harvest it. And this is the asparagus sprouts that I harvested. Total of 4. They're all really big. Bigger than store-bought asparagus for sure.